Continuing with our superhero page, let's do Spider-Man. Load up some red paint on a medium brush. Draw an oval. Fill it in. Take your detail brush and load it up with black. Little circle up top, fill it in. Larger circle coming out behind. More of an oval, really. Fill that in. Okay, you're going to give the top circle a couple of dots. Those will be fangs. You're going to go ahead and draw 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Okay? Then you're going to come up here and connect. Connect. Load up on more black if you need it. Now right by the elbows, connect, connect. Down here you're just going to do it in reverse. So and there you have it, a little Spider-Man design.